The U.S. boasts lavish homes, from Colorado's Snowmass Resort to Florida's Palm Island and California's Beverly Hills Gateway. Wondering which of these stunning homes tops the list of luxury and price? Join us as we explore the priciest homes in America. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Number 10. Aspen Mansion, $100 million. Aspen Mansion, priced at $100 million and perched on Aspen Mountain slopes. This 10-bedroom beauty is a sight to behold. It's next to the famous Little Nell ski run, a short distance from the gondola, acquired by Joel Tolber for $9 million in 1996. Renovations in 2015 have boosted its value, making it Colorado's priciest home. Covering 1.4 acres, it boasts 10 luxurious bedrooms, 12 bathrooms resembling mini castles, 2 modern kitchens, a regal dining room, a plush office, and a top-notch gym. The mansion features a vast 5,000 square foot deck for outdoor dining, plus a patch mimicking a football field. Other highlights include a gaming room, ski room resembling an Emirates Boeing 777's first-class cabin, and a bridge connecting the main entrance. Inside, expect marble floors, wood-paneled walls, and a mix of art styles. Extra amenities: a rooftop bar, massage room, fireplace, virtual golf, private theater, 2 pools, and more. If you dream of luxury mountain living, this home might be for you. Number 9. Malibu Clifftop Mansion, $125 million. Once owned by Kenny Rogers, this mansion is Paradise Cove. Malibu is a luxury collector's dream. A standout feature is the funicular railway Rogers installed for direct beach access. Although he faced a $2 million fine for lacking planning permission, the current price tag is a significant increase from the mid-2000s when Diana Jenkins bought it. This opulent 5-bedroom mansion sits on 3 acres. Its main attractions include a hidden glass wall that, with a button press, unveils luxuries like an office, large patio, and lawn. The interiors boast herringbone floors, retracting ceilings, and expansive windows showcasing the Pacific Ocean. Even bathrooms provide ocean views. The serene master bedroom has a soothing sandstone hue. Notable amenities include a pool, waterfall, sports court, guardhouse, koi pond, visitor's apartment, wet bar, dance and recording studios, barbecue, fire pit, and a kitchen famed for developing neuro drinks. Number 8. The Beverly House, $125 million. Beverly House in Beverly Hills is iconic, not just for its luxury, but also for its appearances in Hollywood films like The Bodyguard and a memorable scene from The Godfather. Spread across 3.5 acres in LA's upscale Beverly estate, it showcases 18 bedrooms, 25 bathrooms, and a 2-story library. Other unique features include a room with herringbone floors, 4 billiards, and a living room with 22-foot-high ceilings, distinctively designed in an 8 style. Beverly House stands out. Its design draws inspiration from Florida's Versailles Mansion, but it incorporates elements from various cultures. Highlights include a pool, waterfalls, gardens, an antique fireplace from Hearst Castle, tennis court, terraces fit for large gatherings, an on-site spa, professional kitchen, and 2 private cinemas. Additional luxuries include an Art Deco lounge and a 40-foot mural by Dennis Abe. The estate, once home to John F. Kennedy and William Randolph Hearst, is priced at $125 million. Number 7. Isle Palmetto, $137 million. Built in the 1930s by architect Maurice Fateo, Isle Palmetto Mansion remains a hallmark of luxury. Purchased by Silicon Valley icon Jim Clark in 1999 for $11 million, he invested 4 years revamping the property while preserving its original Italian Renaissance charm. Covering 68,000 square feet on 5 acres, the mansion boasts 6 bedrooms, 13 bathrooms, a 50-foot living room with a carved ceiling, and captivating sunset views. Amenities include 2 elevators, a spa, koi pond, gym, and a large wine cellar for 20,000 bottles with an additional smaller one for 1,000 bottles. The mansion has a Moroccan-style chamber for gatherings, a grand dining room, and a master suite featuring a lavish bathroom. Jim Clark added unique features like a beach house connected by an underground tunnel, offering a kitchen, lounge, and pool merging into the Atlantic. There's also a boathouse with 2 launch points and an apartment. The estate is currently valued at $137 million. Number 6. The Manor at Holmby Hills, $165 million. The Manor, located in LA's posh Holmby Hills, is a sprawling estate spread over 5 acres and housing 13 structures. This 56,000 square foot mansion, larger than the White House, is among LA's grandest private homes. Built in 1988 by Aaron Spelling and his wife Candy, it boasts a French chateau design with 27 bedrooms and 123 diverse rooms, including a gift wrapping room, a flower cutting area, and even a barbershop. Converted spaces include a self-care chamber with a massage parlor and hair stations. The lavish interiors features a formal living room and a marble fireplace and grand piano, a dining area with a chandelier, and another casual living room with 2 aquariums. There's a movie theater that seats 20, a wine and cheese room, and a basement bowling alley resembling a nightclub. Outside, there's a pool, tennis court, and sculptures. Nearby is the LA County Club. All these luxury come with a $165 million price tag. Number 5. Gemini, $173 million. Gemini, a massive mansion in Florida's Manalapan, stretches over 16 acres and is among the top estates in the U.S. The 85,000 square foot home features 33 bedrooms, 34 bathrooms, and 13 powder rooms. While its interiors are not widely showcased, its outdoor amenities are impressive. It offers a PGA standard golf area, a vast sports complex with basketball, tennis, and mini-golf facilities. The mansion has ocean cottages, providing views of the Atlantic Ocean and the intracoastal waterway. It includes tech features like advanced security, climate control, and 2 elevators. An underground tunnel connects parts of the property, which also features a pond, butterfly garden, bird sanctuary, and a tree house. Owned by Oracle co-founder Larry Ellison, he bought it for $173 million in June 2022, making it the priciest home ever sold in the U.S. The purchase expanded the property to 22 acres, including bird islands. Number 4. Milestone, $175 million. Milestone is an impressive penthouse on Meadow Lane that spans 8 acres. Though it occupies 15,521 square feet, its main living area is considered modest, comprising 11 large bedrooms, 12 full bathrooms, and more. Its design is influenced by the stunning ocean view, featuring wood flooring, custom designs, large windows, and 3 modern fireplaces. The kitchen boasts commercial appliances and luxury design, while there's also a breakfast room next to a 2-bedroom staff apartment. The property has a luxury bar, a deck for entertainment, a gym with glass walls, a spa, and a TV room leading to a large pool area. Outside, a private boardwalk reaches the ocean, and there's a private dock on Shinnecock Bay. Manicured gardens, ample parking, and a bike storage pavilion adds to the property's grandeur. Milestone offers 500 feet of ocean frontage, a caretaker's house, and more. The 3rd level boasts spacious rooms with breathtaking views, while the lower level features an impressive 70-foot heated infinity pool. Number 3. Billionaire, $250 million. In the upscale Bel Air neighborhood of Los Angeles stands a 4-story mega mansion, boasting unmatched luxury. This opulent home offers 5 bars, numerous lounges, a top-notch fitness center, and 3 high-end kitchens. Notable features include an 85-foot infinity pool with breathtaking LA views, a 40-seat movie theater, a bowling alley, and a car collection valued at $30 million. Built by renowned developer Bruce Makowski, this estate's size is 15 times the average new U.S. house, and its $250 million price tag is staggering. Makowski once noted that only 3,000 people globally could afford it. Unique features include glass walls offering panoramic views from the mountains to the oceans and LA skyline. The home comprises 2 master suites, 10 VIP guest suites, and 21 lavish bathrooms. Its design incorporates stones from 50 global quarries in its 38,000 square foot of indoor space, and there's an additional 17,000 square foot of outdoor terraces. With 7 full-time staff, including a chef and masseuse, residents are ensured a luxurious experience. The mansion also showcases global art and even features a decorative rooftop helipad. Number 2. West Creek Ranch, $279 million. West Creek Ranch, spanning both Colorado's Mesa County and Utah's Grand County, is an expansive estate founded by Disney Channel's John Hendricks. The main house covers 22,000 square feet, featuring 8 large bathrooms, luxury bathrooms, an elegant living area, and an entertainment-ready outdoor space. Notable amenities include a movie theater, fitness center, game room, library, and a 5-car garage. There is also a pool, outdoor fire pit, airstrip, 2 helipads, and a sizable stable housing various animals. On the property, residents can encounter ancient Native American rock art or even dinosaur fossils. Originally priced at $149 million in 2017, Hendricks later added numerous amenities, elevating its value to $279 million in 2019. This included a $55 million vintage car collection displayed in an on-site museum. The property boasts 72 guest suites, a resort, and exclusive amenities like a private observatory, covering 8,700 acres. A significant portion is protected from further development. The lavish ranch can be accessed by helicopter or a drive from the Grand Junction Regional Airport, offering both wilderness and luxury. West Creek Ranch stands as one of the U.S.'s most extravagant homes. Number 1. The One, $295 million. This Bel Air Mansion is valued at $295 million, making it potentially the most expensive U.S. home. The 21-bedroom property boasts unparalleled amenities such as a nightclub, a section for charity events, and a stunning 360-degree view of the Pacific Ocean. Created by film producer Niall Niami and architect Paul McLean, this mansion sprawls across a 3.8-acre hilltop. Its living space spans a whopping 105,000 square feet, with luxury features including 42 bathrooms, a vast sky deck, a 2-story office, and a Grandmaster suite. Notable indoor amenities comprise a 4-lane bowling alley, a large indoor pool, a wellness center, beauty salon, juice bar, and more. The estate also houses a 3-bedroom guest suite, art collections, infinity pools, a 40-seat movie theater, a sizable wine cellar, cigar lounge, and a garage that fits 30 cars, including a rotating display for showcasing 2 vehicles. This mansion embodies unparalleled opulence. So, that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to get all the latest updates.